Hola mga Karutski, this is Jay Maisie, your Puri Master. So today meron tayong order na 30 packs na pack meal for lunch. So ano pang inintay nyo? Tara, i-ready natin yung order nila. Let's go! So ngayon mga Karutski, ilalagay natin yung tubs natin. So bihira lang makahanap itong 5 division na tubs. Sa Divisoria, wala ka taga mahanap. So mabuti na lang yung supplier namin sa Paco, yung Planet Trading, meron silang 5 division na tubs. Kasi meron kaming ino-offer na pack meal na merong 1 pasta, 2 meats, and 1 vegetable with free dessert and free soft drinks, water or iced tea. So magkano ba itong package meal nila? So itong pack meal na in-order nila kasi meron siyang 1 pasta, 2 meats, 1 vegetables, free dessert, free soft drinks. Ito ay worth 350 pesos lamang. Syempre may kasama ng rice ito. And then meron din tayong another set na pag only 1 pasta, 1 meat, 1 vegetable, 1 dessert, 1 soft drinks is only worth 320. Pero depende yan. Depende yan sa menu na i-ask ninyo or pwede din kayo magbigay sa inyo ng discount. So yung client po natin, nag-order po sila, yung pasta po nila, it's palabok, pero this food is no pork lahat. So lahat ng foods nila, no pork. So yung palabok nila, naghanap kami ng alternative kung anong pwedeng ilagay. So ayun yung nilagay namin palabok, hindi kami naglagay ng chicharon kasi bawal talaga sa kanila. And then yung beef nila, beef broccoli, and then chop suey with the quail egg, and then 1 chicken lollipop, and then together with the rice. And also, they have a free dessert which is the puko pandan and soft drinks, yung mini soft drinks. So ano pang hinihintay nyo folks? Mga Katutski, kung naghahanap kayo ng pack meal or nahihirapan kayo maghanap ng mas masarap na pack meal, please look our page, Put Delicious or Put Delicious Food Services. So what are you waiting for? You can choose now Put Delicious. So whatever you choose to do, happiness is homemade. Bye!